The first step जो मैं aspirants को देना चाहूँगा, it is that you have to have a very strong mental approach to CSS. Firstly, you have to realize that success and failure both come from Allah Almighty. So you have to free yourself from anxieties and from outcome related depressions. आपने सिर्फ फोकस करना है द मेहनत कंपोनेंट ऑफ CSS. और मेहनत के बहुत कंपोनेंट्स हैं कि योर प्रैक्टिस एंड एग्जाम सेटिंग, your past paper analysis, your ability to incorporate provided feedback, your writing skills, your time management skills in paper, your paper readability, ये सब components हैं. जब आप मेहनत पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं तो you master these components. ये components master होए तो आपकी outcome, आपके results master हो जाएंगे. तो that is the first step. And the second tip that I would like to give to the students is that you have to always look for constant and never ending improvement. It is a long journey. आपका stamina test करेगी, and even by the end date, जिस दिन आपका test है तब भी आप satisfied नहीं होंगे कि मेरी तैयारी अभी complete नहीं हुई, and that is not a bad thing. That is a good thing because you are improving till the last minute. So inshallah, I wish you the best of luck if you incorporate these two tips in your preparation.